Hello everyone. My name is Tembili Dlemeje. Today I will be taking you through to mathematics grade 2. The topic I'll be talking about is time, telling the time. It is very important to listen careful because time is very important. Everything we do on our daily lives we do according to the time. So that's why time is very important. You need to know time. Before you do anything, you need to know the time. My introduction is that the first thing we really want to comprehend is that each analog clock has two significant hands. One of the hands is long and the other one is short. The long hand points to the minutes numbers and short hand points to the hour numbers. The second thing we really want to understand is that the clock has two sides and they have different names. So to help you to remember, I have given them unique colors. I will show you on the next slides. The red side is called minutes past and the blue side is called minutes to. At the point when we read time, if the long hand is on the red, we express minutes past. If it is on the blue side, we say minutes to. We have 3 stages. To tell the time, we follow 3 stages. These stages are the things we need to remember. For example, stage 1, I read the number at the end of the long hand. Then on stage 2, say which side it's pointing to minutes past red side, minutes blue side. Stage 3, read the number at the end of the short hand. We say it like this, 15 minutes to 7. This is the example. These arrows you are seeing here, the red ones, are pointing to minutes past. If you see on the left, there's black arrows there. They are pointing to minutes to, meaning it is before o'clock. Telling the time to the half hour. When the minute hand points at 6, it is half past the hour because minute hand has moved away around the clock by then. Also, hour hand points exactly halfway between 2 numbers when it is half past. Let us try to figure out what is the time in this analog clock. The analog clock I'm talking about is on the next slide. The minute hand is pointing at 6, as you can see there's 6 on a red arrow. So it is half past the hour. Now half past what? The hour hand moved half away from 9 towards 10. Look at the lines there. the arrow that's pointed exactly halfway between 9 and 10. So it is 9:30. Let's take another example. Try to figure out what is the time in this analog on the next slide. The minute hand is pointing at 6, so it is 1/2 the hour. Now, 1/2 what? That's our question. Our hand has moved halfway from 1 towards 2. Look at the arrow, the black one. That is pointing exactly halfway between 1 and 2. And the long one is pointing at 6. So it is 1/2. What we have learned on this, we have learned that when the minute hand points at 6, it is 1/2 the hour. Now, 1/2 which hour? It is 1/2 the hour towards which the hour hand has moved halfway. Also, we have two ways of telling the time to the half hour. Like we have 1/2, we have 2:30, we have 3:30, 4:30, etc. In summary, while the shorthand clock lets you know the hour, the longhand lets you know the minutes. To find the number of minutes past the hour, count by 5s every large number from 1 to 12. Then at that point, count by 1 for each line until you arrive at the longhand. Telling the time is a significant ability to be taught to children, to prepare them for life as well for their further learning in maths. Thank you. Thank you.